welcome to SparkleBox, and I'm back with another interesting Mother's Day craft, and that is a tulip in a heart. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 materials to make this, and they are A4 sheets, Fevi-stick, colored sheets, scissors, pencil and Fevicol. Let's take an A4 sheet and fold it in half. Now take a pencil and draw a semi-heart on the folded side and then cut it. You will get a perfect shaped heart. Take in another sheet of paper and draw a heart on it and then cut it. Make sure one is a bigger heart and the other is a smaller heart. Do you know why are we using tulip flowers in our Mother's Day card? Any guesses? I'll tell you. The most known meaning of tulips is perfect and deep love. So, isn't it a perfect flower to gift your mom this Mother's Day? Because their love towards us is unconditional, deep and perfect. Our tulip flower is ready by now. So, let's paste it on our card with a Fevi-stick. Mother's Day card is ready. Isn't it creative, thoughtful and perfect gift to your mother this Mother's Day? So what are you waiting for? Give it a try yourself and let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Bye bye.